big eagles. I hope you've been good at home and behaving for your mom and dad. Today we are going to start learning the sound that says rrr. Can you say rrr with me? Right, rrr. That's beautiful. Let's look at our little book with rrr. My rrr book. Here we go. Little rrr had a box. I will fill my box, he said. Little rrr found rabbits. He put them into his box. Look, your rabbits are eating radishes. Lovely red radishes. Little rrr found a rooster. In you go, rooster, he said. Look at the rabbits trying to escape. He found a raccoon. The raccoon ran, and little rrr had to run after him. And he caught him and put him in his box. Then he saw a rat. Clever. The rat ran. Little rrr caught the rat. Guess where he put that rat? Then he ran down the road. Little rrr found a reindeer and a rowboat. He put all his things into the rowboat. Look at them all in the rowboat. All the animals that start with rrr. And away he went. It began to rain, so he put on his raincoat. Then he found a rhinoceros and a raft. And the rhinoceros and the raft are in the river. So he put all his things on the raft. But the raft ran into a rock. The reindeer fell off the raft. So little rrr found a rope. He pulled the reindeer back onto the raft. Let's rest, he said. And so they rested under the rainbow. Then the rabbit said, let's run a race. And they ran up the road to a rose bush. Little rrr said, let's play ring around the rosies. And they did. Look, they're holding hands and they're dancing around the rose bush. And that's the end of our little rrr. Look at all the other pictures with things that start with rrr. Write your magazine and cut out some pictures that start with rrr. Cut neatly around your picture and stick it onto a piece of paper. Mommy will write little rrr at the top of your paper for you.